Good morning everyone, this is Leo. Today I will introduce you our two new vehicle antennas. This presentation includes three parts. First is a brief introduction of Harxon vehicle antennas. Second is a detailed introduction of Harxon CVX600A antenna. Third is a detailed introduction of Harxon CVX603A antenna. In recent years, the automatic driving industry has developed rapidly, and the automatic driving technology has been applied to passenger cars, logistics vehicles, agriculture machinery, engineering machinery, and other fields. The automatic driving in these fields can't be separated from the support of high-precision GNSS antennas. At present, Harxon has developed a series of high-precision GNSS antennas for various autonomous driving fields, and has established a complete high-precision GNSS antenna system. It includes the following product families. The first is a GPS 500 series, which is suitable for the application without special requirements for antenna appearance and installation. The second and the third type is shark fin shape antenna, which is suitable for the application scenarios with high appearance requirements and the integration with communication antennas. The last one is also shark fin antenna, which is suitable for high-speed trains such as locomotives, trains, and high-speed trains. Today, we will focus on two antennas designed by Harxon for agriculture machinery and engineering machinery and other non-road vehicles. Compared with road vehicles such as passenger cars, non-road vehicles such as large agricultural machinery and mining machinery have a series of their own characteristics. For example, severe vibration, bad working environment, and more shielding in the working environment. In this application environment, using ordinary GNSS high-precision antenna may cause some problems, such as easy to damage under severe vibration environment, insufficient protection level of the radome, resulting in ultra intrusion and unstable satellite receiving in sheltered environment. Therefore, Harxon has designed two new GNSS antennas for this application, which have the advantage of high precision and also high reliability. The first is CVX600A antenna. This antenna is designed with ruggedized enclosure that allows the antenna to be used in high shock and vibration environments. Harxon CVX600A could provide the millimeter level accuracy with the advanced filtering capabilities and the robust signal tracking. It is ideal for oil solving and eye construction machining applications. The Harxon CVX600A offers full support for reliable and consistent satellite signal tracking, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, and also QZSS INSS, SBS, and L-band correction services. The antenna size is 150 mm in diameter and 53 mm in height. The overall structure of the antenna is metal base plus plastic upper cover, in which the base is made of aluminum alloy and the upper cover is made of PC plus PBT, which has better flexibility and acid-base corrosion resistance. Double-layer waterproof structure is adopted at the joint of antenna base and upper cover, which are rubber ring pressing and silica gel respectively. Double-layer waterproof structure is adopted at the joint of antenna base and upper cover, which are rubber ring pressing and silica gel respectively, and the waterproof grade can reach to IP6H or better. A rubber ring is designed around the antenna to prevent the antenna from being damaged by impact. The antenna can be installed in two ways: pole mount and screw mount, which can be fixed with one screw or installed on a plane with 4 screws to meet different installation and application scenarios. The antenna base is provided with a connector protection structure to prevent the antenna from damaging the connector due to impact. The antenna base is equipped with a waterproof ventilation valve, which can keep the air pressure balanced inside and outside of the antenna and improve the waterproof performance. The antenna design adopts phase balance 4-point feeding mode and multipath suppression structure with multipath suppression effect, which can ensure the positioning accuracy of 2 mm in high vibration environment. And in the design process, the design method of wide frequency band and wide beam is adopted to realize wideband coverage, high gain, and stable of receiving satellite. In terms of antenna performance, especially gain and bandwidth, in order to clearly see the advantage of this antenna, we select a similar product for comparison. These two figures are the gain comparison curves of CVX600A antenna and the similar products in L2 band. The normal gain of CVX600A antenna in L2 band is mostly greater than 4 dB, and the maximum gain is 5.8 dB. When the elevation angle is 20 degrees, the gain reaches minus 1.5 dB, and in most frequency band is greater than minus 4 dB. They are obviously better than the competitive antenna. In L1 band, the maximum gain of CVX600A is 6 dB. Most of the gain is greater than 5 dB. L band is greater than 4 dB, and the gain of elevation angle of 20 degrees is greater than minus 3.6 dB. which is basically equivalent to that of the competitors. From the gain curve of CVX600A, we can see that the antenna has good broadband characteristics and wide beam characteristics. From the gain curve of CVX600A, we can see that the antenna has good broadband characteristics and wide beam characteristics, and the gain is high at low elevation angle, so it can receive satellite very well, even in environments with shelters, to ensure accurate positioning in complex environments. CVX600A is a little larger in size and heavier in weight, so it's not very convenient to use in special occasions. Therefore, we designed the second vehicle products, the miniaturized antenna of CVX603A. The size of CVX600A is 150 mm in diameter. The diameter of the miniaturized CVX603A is only 90.6 mm. The diameter is reduced by 40% and the weight is 250 grams. The working frequency of CVX600 The working frequency of CVX603A also covers 4 satellite navigation system, regional navigation system, and L-band. The random is PC plus BBT material with good flexibility and acid-base corrosion resistance. The antenna base is made of aluminum alloy, which can withstand severe vibration without damage. There is a waterproof air hole on the antenna base, and the corresponding waterproof and breathable There is a waterproof air hole on the antenna base, and the corresponding waterproof and breathable membranes is set inside to keep balance of the air pressure between inside and outside of the antenna. The antenna can be fixed by M18 nuts, and the overall structure is very stable. In terms of feeding mode, most similar products in the market adopt two-point feeding, and the phase center stability is generally greater than 5 mm. CVX63A In terms of feeding mode, most similar products in the market adopt two-point feeding, and the phase center stability is generally greater than 5 mm. CVX603A adopts 4-point feeding mode, and the phase center stability is less than 2 mm. The antenna material is microwave material with low dialect. The antenna material is microwave material with low dielectric constant, low density, low loss, and excellent electrical performance. The antenna also has excellent anti-static design and can work normally under the condition of contact discharge of 8,000 volt and air discharge of 15,000 volt for 10 times. In the process of antenna design, a special fence structure is used to realize broadband and miniaturization design. This is the then skin curve of CVX6038. The maximum gain of L1 band is nearly 4.5 dB, and the gain of the most frequency band is greater than 3 dB. The maximum gain of L2 band is 4 dB, and the gain of most frequency band is greater than 2 dB. The overall broadband design is realized. This is the 20-degree elevation gain curve of CVX6038, and its gain of most frequency band is greater than -4 dB. Because of its small size, CVX6038 has a wide range of applications. It can not only be used in heavy machinery, agricultural machinery, and other vehicles, but also can be used in small vehicles such as unmanned logistic vehicles and grass-cutting robots. In addition to vehicle applications, it can play an important role in all occasions where small external hyperstation antennas are required. The above is what I share with you today. Welcome to visit and exchange. Thank you.